Tonight's plan should be a good prawn curry and soft chapos. So easy. First add PEMBE home baking flour to a bowl and add salt. Mix and then add water a little at a time and mix until it all comes together. Add some oil and knead for about 5 minutes. Cover and let the dough rest for about 30 minutes as you prepare the curry. Heat oil in a pan and add onions. Cook until they're slightly brown. Add ginger and garlic and stir. Then add red chilies, paprika, curry powder, turmeric powder and garam masala and stir. Add tomatoes, salt to taste and water. Stir and cook for 10 minutes or until soft. Add coconut milk, stir and zest a lemon. Add the prawns cleaned and deveined. Cook for just 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook. Garnish with coriander leaves. For the chapatis, take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a large circle with some more PEMBE home baking flour. Smear some oil over it and then sprinkle flour on top of it. Fold it over as such and then apply oil and flour again to one side of the dough. Fold over again so it forms a triangle and then roll it out. Cook on a dry pan for 30 seconds, flip and then cook for 45 seconds while applying oil to the top. Repeat the same until it is cooked on all sides. As you cook the rest, place the chapatis on a plate covered with the kitchen towel so they stay soft. Serve these soft layered chapatis with a coconut curry. Enjoy!